Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from Adobe Firefly on PC. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's browser-based AI tool that lets you create images, designs, and effects using simple text prompts. Since it runs online on your browser and it is connected to your Adobe account, you need to open one of the browser. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it, and make sure you have already logged in to log out. Simply find your profile icon here once you get into this interface of your Adobe Firefly. What you can do is in the top right corner, we can find this profile icon here. Click onto this profile icon here, and once your profile icon opens, what you can do is you can simply open to this sign out here on the bottom. Click onto the sign out here, and that is it. Logging out of Adobe Firefly on PC is very easy since it is web based. You do not need to uninstall anything, just sign out like any of the website, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log out from Adobe Firefly. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.